Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change channel name in Discord server. Now, here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to change the name of a channel in your Discord server. The first thing you like to do is to open your browser and go to the Discord web app, then log in with your credentials, email and password. Then on the left navigation panel, once you're logged in, find the server where the channel is located. Then click on the server icon to open it. So this is a server and that's Afi's server. So just click on it to open it. Now in the server, you're going to have to scroll to find the channel whose name you want to change. So under either the text channels or the voice channels, whatever. So this is text channels, and under here we have voice channels, we have general, and we have text channels general. So hover over the channel name to reveal the options. So this is the channel name for here, and the channel name is general. So once you hover over the channel name to reveal the options, the next thing is to right click a channel name, or just go ahead and click on this settings menu for that channel name. Click on the settings wheel. Then once you get that, in the context menu, you're going to see this option that says channel name, and under this channel name you have general. Now in this edit channel name box, just delete the current name here, which is general, and say, let's say this would be FA info. If that could be my, so delete the current name and type in the new name for your channel. And after updating the name, the next thing you need to do is to click on save changes, which is at the bottom of the window, and that's it. The channel name will now be updated in your server. So I can just click this X button, and here you see instead of general, it's now AFI info. So ensure you have admin or manage channel permissions for the server to make changes to channel names. And if you want to limit who can edit channel names, adjust the permissions for specific roles in the server settings under roles. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.